What's up guys, this is Shan Heather, and in this video we are going to do a gaming performance test of Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 3 by playing few of the most high-end heavy graphics game on the highest possible graphics setting. We will also monitor the battery performance and whether we are going to face any heating issue or not, and how much FPS we are going to get in all of these games that we will play today on Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 3. But before we start, if you are new to this channel, then do not forget to hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon to get the notification for future uploads. And these are the games we got today here on our Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 3. For this testing purpose, I have set the refresh rate of the screen as 120Hz fixed. Right now the battery percentage is 42 and the temperature is 33 degrees Celsius. And talking about the CPU temperature, it's 36. So let's play a few of these games and let's see how good is the performance of the device is going to be. So first of all, let's just start with Injustice 2. So the volume is full and you can see that here at the top left corner that how much FPS we are getting while playing the Injustice 2 here. So it is going as high as 70 to 120 FPS. During the gameplay it's usually around 90, but at some instance it's going to 120 as well. So most of the time the FPS was around 85 to 95, 90 on average we can say. And everything was nice and smooth, the graphics quality was pretty good and the performance was very smooth for sure. Let's play it a bit more.
Surrender while you can.
So still one more time, everything was super smooth while playing Injustice 2 on Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 3 here. On average we were getting around 85 to 90 FPS and that's pretty solid performance for sure. But right from the beginning I can feel that the top part of the device here right next to the camera and the cover screen is getting warm. So let's have a look on the temperature, and as you can see CPU is at 38 degrees Celsius, and if you talk about the battery it's at 35. So even though in terms of numbers the temperature is still quite okay, I can feel the heating sensation here for sure. And now let's play the next game for today, and that's going to be the Asphalt 9. So here in the graphics setting of Asphalt 9 you can see we have selected the high graphics quality. So this game is capped at 60 FPS max, so we must not get more than that, but let's see how much FPS we will get. So the graphics quality is brilliant, especially if you have a look on the ground, the texture we are getting on the road and everything, so nice. There was a minor lag when my car collided to the another one. But the graphics quality is very, very nice. And here we go. So as you can see that most of the time we were getting around 50 FPS while playing Asphalt 9 on our device here, the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 3, and once again, as you can see, the graphics quality was brilliant. Everything was super smooth. Just minor lag happened once in the very beginning when my car collided with the another one. So now let's close the Asphalt 9 and now let's play the next game, and that's the Dead Trigger 2. This game also runs at 120 FPS. So let's see how good will be the performance while playing Dead Trigger 2 on our Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 3. Selected for the graphics quality. So here in the graphics setting of Dead Trigger 2, you can see the graphics detail selected is as default and FPS is at max at 120 FPS. So I'm going to select the ultra high graphics quality and the 120 FPS, and let's see how much FPS we are going to get after selecting the high graphics quality. So let's play the game. So we are getting around 60 FPS here. So most of the time it is around 45 to 50 FPS while playing Dead Trigger 2 on 120 FPS setting with ultra high graphics quality, as you can see here. So the average was around 50 FPS while playing Dead Trigger 2 on this graphics setting. So after playing all of these games, the battery percentage moved from 41 to 33. After playing all of these games for like 20 minutes, the CPU temperature is 41 and the battery temperature is 38 degrees Celsius, and it's pretty much at the same temperature in the very beginning, a bit hot for sure. So now let's play Call of Duty Mobile. So here in the graphics setting of Call of Duty Mobile, you can see we have selected the very high and frame rate as max. If I go to high or if I go to medium or low, there is no change we are getting in FPS. It's not getting better. So I'm going to select very high for the graphics quality and max for the frame rate as well. And now let's play the game. So we are getting around 60 FPS, as you can see here. It's fluctuating between 45 to 60 because Call of Duty Mobile also selects maximum 60 FPS, so we are not going to get better than that in any case. But it's very smooth, as you can see here, and the graphics quality is amazing. If you have a look on the grass here, the texture on the tree's trunk, this is so good.
I'm hurt. Need backup. Need backup. Target down. That's too close. Need backup.
It's very smooth. Gameplay is so nice.
Need backup.
We lost the lead.
Target down.
We lost the lead.
Once again, if you have a look on the wall here, you can see how much detail we are getting. Everything is so nice when it comes to graphics quality, and we are getting around 50 FPS constantly while playing this game on the highest possible graphics setting that we can get.
Need backup. I'm hurt. Need backup. Target down.
Too close. Fight harder. Tied for the lead.
Reloading.
We lost the lead.
I'm hurt. Need backup.
Touch squad.
Need backup.
Hostile Predator missile inbound.
So the average FPS is constantly 50, as you can see here.
Need backup. I'm hurt. Need backup.
And here we go. So the performance was really nice while playing Call of Duty Mobile. We were getting 50 FPS constantly, and now the CPU temperature is 41 degrees Celsius. Still, battery is at 38, and the battery percentage is down to 28 now. So let's close Call of Duty and let's play the last game for today, and that's going to be the PUBG Mobile. So here in the graphics setting of PUBG Mobile, you can see by default HD is selected for the graphics quality and high for the frame rate. If we go to HDR, Ultra is still there. Ultra, HD and UHD are not available. So on HDR, I can go to Ultra FPS. If I go to HD, Balanced, then on Smooth, I am getting the Extreme FPS available. But the graphic quality is going to be the lowest. That's Smooth. So it's better to go with HDR and Ultra. That's the highest possible graphic setting combination. And now let's play the game. So the graphics quality is really nice. If you have a look on the characters' shoulder, cloths, so good. Also, if you have a look on the ground here, you can see how much detail we are getting. And it's quite smooth as well. We are getting maximum 30 FPS here because we are playing this game on the highest possible graphics setting. So once again, it's pretty smooth. We are getting constantly 40-41 FPS here. So once again, you can see that the graphics quality is so good. And it's pretty smooth as well. We are getting once again constantly 40 FPS. still it's 41 FPS, so no improvement we are getting here. Okay, here I go. So I think we will get around 40 FPS most of the time here on PUBG Mobile while playing it on Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 3 on the highest possible graphics setting, and that's pretty nice performance for sure. But if you reduce the graphics quality, you might get as high as 60 FPS while playing PUBG Mobile on Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 3. And talking about the heating, once again, the temperature is pretty much same. Like even after playing all of these games, the temperature is not increased too much or decreased, so it's pretty much same all of the time. And as you can see, that CPU is still at 40. Earlier it was 41, and the battery temperature reduced from 38 to 37 degrees Celsius. Talking about the battery life is getting affected a lot because this device comes with pretty small 3300 mAh battery, and we've got a Super AMOLED screen, pretty huge in size, 6.7 inch, and we are using 120 FPS refresh rate while playing all of these high-end games, and the battery percentage moved from 41 to 23 after playing all of these games for like 30 to 35 minutes. But talking about the gaming performance was very impressive in all of these games, and if you are a gamer, you are going to be happy with the performance of Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 3 here for sure. So that's all for now, friends. Thanks for watching this video. If you found it useful, then give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, subscribe the channel, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notification for future uploads. And I will see you guys next time in another video. Have a nice day.